Are you brand new to quilting and ready to try your first star quilt block? In this video, I'll show you step by step how to make a beautiful star quilt block using quarter square triangles. It's beginner friendly, simple to follow, and I promise you'll finish with a block you're proud of. Let's get started. In today's tutorial, we're making a quarter square triangle star block. For this block, you will need the following: center square 3.5 inches by 3.5 inches, quantity 1. Corner squares 3.5 inches by 3.5 inches, quantity 4. Half square triangles 6 inches by 6 inches, quantity 2. Quarter square triangles 7.5 inches by 7.5 inches, quantity 4. The first part of the block that we will make are the half square triangles. Align the two 6 inches by 6 inches squares. Sew along all four sides using a 1/4 inch seam. Cut the square with 2 diagonal cuts. Separate the 4 half square triangles. Press seams open or to one side. Trim to 3.5 inches by 3.5 inches. Sew the half square triangles to the 4 corner squares using a 1/4 inch seam. Press seams. Align two pieces of the 7.5 inches by 7.5 inches squares. Draw 2 diagonal lines. Sew a 1/4 inch away from the diagonal lines. Pay close attention that you are only sewing to the midway point of the block. Cut along the diagonal lines to separate the 1/4 pieces. Press seams. Cut the remaining 2 pieces of 7.5 inches by 7.5 inches squares in half, corner to corner. Align with the 1/4 pieces. Sew using a 1/4 inch seam. Press seams. Trim the quarter square triangles to 6.5 inches by 6.5 inches. Sew the quarter square triangle to the end units using a 1/4 inch seam. Press seams. Sew the center square to one of the quadrants using a 1/4 inch seam. Only sew to the halfway point of the center square. Sew the remaining quadrants and press seams.